beautiful Sunday afternoon in Ashland, Kentucky, along the river, and just decided to come out this afternoon to look for my arrowhead that's been eluding me for a couple of years, and look what I came across. That's right, my first complete arrowhead. Let you look, and then I'm going to zoom in on what I'm looking at, and you tell me, what do you think that is? I think that may be an awesome point. So let's go pick it up and see what we have. Yep, that is a focus camera. That is a nice point. I'll clean it up and put some pictures on the video, but there you go. Saturday morning's turning out to be a good day. And hopefully that is complete. Let me see if I can do this. Oops, sorry. Do this without. Yep. That is complete. Complete. Awesome, baby. Awesome. On a cold January day, my first complete point. It's got a little tip ding there, but my first complete point of the year. All right, have a great day and God bless. As you can see, my stick is down. And I want you to look down there and tell me what you see. I thought it was a leaf and I poked it and it didn't move, so, and looking closer, that's going to be a point. All right, let's go pick it up. Ooh, man, I'm excited. Whoa, doggy. Ooh, doggy. Look at that. Look at that bad boy. Look at that bad boy. Woo! Look at that bad boy. Look at that bad boy. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I don't care about the cold. Look at that. That is a smoker. 4 inches. Close to it. And man, I'm so glad I came out. I almost didn't. And I believe I have found my first complete point. Well, it looks like it may have some tip damage, and now I can't find it because I started the video and now I can't find it. So let me find it again here. Oh, there it is. Like I said, I think it's got, oh, it might be complete. It might be complete. I don't know if I want to wait for James or not. Maybe I'll wait for him to pick it up. But there it is. I tried calling James, messaged him, I don't know where he's at. He went back to the boat to get his jacket. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this. It's got a little tip ding to it, but just barely. Let's go wash it off. You see it's got a little tip ding. It's beveled. Not really sure what it is. Maybe a Curt. Everything's a Curt until you decide to find what else it is. So let me show you what.